Today is March 13th and the movers showed up for the last time finally and tied everything down. So this is literally all they did. They just tied it down and it's in the ground. Yesterday, Sunday, which would have been the 12th, we went to Menards. We got a front door and a back door, which are identical, but they'll look really good. And some boards, and this is to fix the flooring in front of the front door, right?
Yes.
And back door.
Yes. And other spots.
Yeah, so we have some soft spots. We'll give you a tour. Keep in mind that it's not beautiful. It's actually a mess. Because Cole has started tearing everything apart. So this is the front door where you come in. And we had no idea, but it's completely rotted through, like obviously to the siding. And I guess it's common that they don't house wrap these. So all of the water that was coming down through the outside behind the siding was rotting away at the wood. So, long story short, what do we have to do? We have to reside the whole thing. We weren't planning on that. But if you go this way, this is the first bedroom. It's smaller of the two. And there's a small closet. And all the doors are pretty good shape, so that's nice. Except for that one, I guess. This is the disgusting spare bathroom.
Just that one.
And this room with our supplies and stuff is going to be our iRacing and Peloton room. So Cole's race rig will go in here. And it also has a little closet. This is the massive living room. It's a really good size. So hopefully we'll be able to have like a sectional here. And we're gonna put the TV up there and probably do an accent wall of some sort. And we're also gonna put probably a bigger window in the front, because right now it's just like a little window and I think it looks weird on the outside, but it'll be nice to have even more natural light. This is a little dining area. We have a table, but we're gonna measure it to see if it fits first. Because it's kind of big. It's a 6-person table. So we're gonna get rid of that nasty light. And here's another soft spot on the floor with the water came down from behind the siding again and rotted away. And then this back here will be laundry. Washer and dryer. Do a little cute organizing things back there. And here's the kitchen. So we're planning on doing like a little bar here, like mini fridge, alcohol, whatever. And we're gonna tear this out and put the refrigerator here. I don't know what else. And don't look at the nasty stove, it's leaking. Dishwasher. I'm so excited. So excited. And I've made a giant mess in here because I've scraped half the ceiling because we have nasty popcorn ceiling. And it's a mess. Did you try that?
Yeah, it kind of worked, kind of didn't.
Perfect. So this is the master suite. And they actually had a king-size bed in here before. And it looked like it fit pretty well. So that's good news. And then this is the master closet.
Turn the light on. It's really dark.
It took forever to turn on. And the water heater is back there in the corner. And then this is the master bath. I said the other bath was gross. This one's like 10 times worse. But we're completely gutting it, redoing it. Yeah, it's gross. Today is Wednesday and I had to work late today, so I got a late start. Cole and my dad have been here since probably 3 this afternoon, and then Ryan came up to help. They tore all the siding off the front of the house, got all the windows out, redid everything around the windows, and then they just got it house wrapped, so now they're putting the windows back in because we have rain coming in tomorrow. Maybe tonight, I don't know, but I got all the popcorn ceilings done except for the living room, kitchen, dining area, because all the tools are in there. So, but yeah, I got the 2 bathrooms done and the hallway done tonight.